What up, y'all? Tight Shirt Terry Warfield. Remember to be thankful for your life today because you did not have to have that. We got a new phone to unbox today. The iPhone 15 Pro. Now listen, the only reason why I'm filming this is because I'm actually hyped about this phone. So I wanted to share it with y'all. I know I don't make a whole lot of phone content, but to be honest, these iPhones are becoming more and more important as filmmaking tools and photography tools. Like, they're getting so freaking good. What is this stuff all over my freaking mat? And I haven't upgraded since the iPhone 13 Pro. This thing is literally trash. The camera lenses are all busted. The battery barely lasts. The GPS only be working when it wants to. It'll just be turning off for no reason. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into it. Now, I ordered the natural titanium one, which I think I'm gonna regret. I think I should have went with the black titanium, just from the videos I've seen. But I just want to share this unboxing experience with you, and I want to tell you the stuff I'm hyped about and what to expect. So let's get it. You hear the fire detector? It's there. All right, here we are. Yeah, I mean, here nobody cares about this stuff, okay? Anyways, this is the natural titanium. Okay, I want to hold this side by side with the space gray from the iPhone 13 Pro. And I know Apple says that this phone is lighter. You can absolutely freaking feel it. It's absolutely lighter, and it for sure feels, I don't know, it just feels better because of the curved edges. Definitely feels better. But let's get out of here. Let's go ahead and, that is pretty. To be honest with you, it looks just like the Apple Watch Ultra when it comes to color. The Apple Watch Ultra has like a rough finish to it almost. Not rough, but you get what I'm saying. Whereas this one seems more like a polished material. I like the look of it. It just, I don't know. I think I'm gonna exchange it. It's not ugly. I mean, it's a nice color. It feels good in hand. But I don't know, man. I just like the darker colors when it comes to phones. I did order a dark case for it already. But yeah, I might have to go ahead and exchange this bad boy. Let me know in the comments which iPhone 15 did you order, and if you got the Pro, which titanium version you got. So anyways, let me go ahead and power this thing on. And I'm sorry, I've been sick the last couple days, so that's why I'm so congested. But it's French fry grease all over the freaking screen already. While this boots up, I want to talk quickly on why I made this move. First of all, because of freaking USB-C. It's about freaking time. Every other device in the world has used USB-C for the last 20 years, Apple, so thank you for finally making this thing catch up to the 21st century. But I'm very excited about the new camera setup. Now, I didn't get the Pro Max because I don't want to carry around a freaking cookie sheet, and it's unfortunate because I really wanted the telephoto, what is it, 5X option out of the Pro Max, but I'm just not willing to carry around a phone that big day to day, so I'll, go ahead and make do with this one and only use the 3X camera. But the main reason is, although I love taking a camera with me everywhere, there's certain times where, let's just be honest, taking the camera is a hassle, taking the camera isn't ideal, and I've been searching for so long for a phone that can give me good enough image quality. Now, I need to step back and define that I'm a image quality snob. So what I am looking for image quality wise might not be what you're looking for image quality wise. What might be good enough for you probably ain't good enough for me because I'm a snob. And truthfully, nobody that watches my videos really cares but me, but that's who I am. I'm an image quality snob. So I've been searching for that iPhone that can meet me halfway between where a phone should be at and a camera should be at. And I'm not saying that the 13 Pro wasn't good enough or that the 14 Pro or the standard versions aren't good enough. It's really up to the person using it. But when I did use those, I'm like, this ain't really good enough for me. So I'm actually hyped to start using this. First of all, being able to record ProRes in your freaking pocket to an SSD and log, that is, you know what, that's wild. I can't believe that we're saying this, that we have this level of processing power and image quality power in a device this freaking small, but we have it. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to the improved image quality. I'm looking forward to the 48 megapixel sensor in this thing and how it, strangely crops down or magically makes it down to 24 megapixels to give you these super res photos. I'm into all of that stuff, okay? I can't freaking wait. I'm so hyped about Dynamic Island. I know it's kind of gimmicky, but I haven't had it yet. And I'm also hyped about this action button. I can't wait to assign stupid stuff to this action button. I was on Twitter and Greg McFadden had a fart noise play when he pressed the action button, and that's like right up my that's like right up my alley because I'm a kid at heart. But anyways, I can't wait to test this phone out. So be looking out for photo comparisons to some of my cameras, video comparisons to some of my cameras, cinematics film with this phone. We're about to go all in for a minute on iPhone content, and I'm actually hyped because I'm kind of bored with talking about cameras and lenses, and I'm ready for a challenge. And I think the iPhone, I haven't done it in a while, I haven't used one in a while, trying to use it for filmmaking and as a photography tool. Like, it's going to be a challenge and I'm looking forward to it. So the last thing I'm gonna say before I get out of here, because I can't freaking breathe, if I didn't say this already, if you have like an iPhone 14 Pro, I don't really see a huge reason or need to upgrade. If you're coming from like an iPhone 11, 12, 13, then yes, this is a pretty significant update for you. If you just want to upgrade because you have the money or you have the possibility to through your carrier, you're not coming out of pocket a whole lot of money, fine. But if you got an iPhone 14 Pro, don't go out and spend a whole bunch of money because it's not necessary, okay? I mean, do what you want to do. If you got the money, go ahead and ball out, but not necessary, okay? But anyways, I'm gonna end this video because I can't freaking breathe, and I'm gonna set this phone up, and then there will be more content coming soon. So until next time, I'm out of here. Piece of chicken grease, tight, Sir Terry Warford. I'm out. Peace.